Number 27. The students in Miss Butler's class are going to perform an experiment with electrical circuits. Each student will use 12 and 5/10 inches of wire, a 1.5 volt battery, and a bulb. If 28 students perform the experiment, what is the total number of inches of wire they will use? Number 28. Which diagram shows a set and subset that is not correct? Number 29. The model below represents a box of cookies that Miss Starbuck keeps in her pantry. Kiefer's cookies with a height of 5 inches. The volume of the box is 250 cubic inches. Which expression represents the area of its base? The length times the width. Number 30. Ramiro drew a line on the grid below. Which ordered pair represents the closest point to the line? Number 31. Which input-output table below shows a multiplicative pattern? Number 32. Allison's goal is to jog a total of 5 miles. If she jogs 1/4 mile each day, how many days will it take her to reach her goal? Number 33. A nurse poured medicine into 3 plastic cups. He poured 3.9 milliliters into the first cup, 4.15 milliliters into the second cup, and 9.95 milliliters into the third cup. The value of which expression is closest to the total number of milliliters of medicine the nurse poured into the cups? Number 34. Winifred attempted to simplify the 4 numeric expressions shown here. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which expression did Winifred simplify correctly? Number 35. The dot plot shows the amount of fruit juice that 21 children consumed yesterday. Each dot represents one child. Fruit juice consumed is the title of the dot plot, and it's measured in volume with liters. The children that consumed exactly 0.5 liter of juice consumed how many liters of juice combined? Number 36. In which number below is the value of the 9 equal to 9 times 1/1000th? Number 37. 8 ice cubes weigh 17 6/10 ounces all together. Each ice cube has the same weight. In ounces, how much does 1 ice cube weigh? Number 38. Jenna has 5 lollipops that weigh 5/100 kilogram each. Which model below best represents the total weight of the lollipops? Number 39. Demarion is building a prism using wooden blocks. He will complete the prism by placing one more block in the vacant space in the center. What will be the volume of the block that fills the vacant space? Number 40. The scatter plot shows how many emails 5 siblings sent yesterday compared to the number of emails they sent today. Each dot represents one student. The title of the scatter plot is Emails Sent. The x-axis represents emails today. The y-axis is emails yesterday. Notice that they're counting by ones. How many more emails did the siblings send today than yesterday? Number 41. Mrs. Michaels has 16 fluid ounces of orange juice, 11 fluid ounces of pineapple juice, and 15 fluid ounces of mango juice. She will mix these juices to make a fruit punch, which shows the total capacity of the three juices. Number 42. A chef has 1/6 ounce of a valuable spice called saffron. If he divides the saffron equally among 3 dishes, how much saffron will be in each dish? Number 43. Mason wrote this numeric expression, parentheses 1/4 plus 1/2, close parentheses, minus 1/8. What is the value of the expression? Number 44. Which list of numbers has exactly 2 composite and 3 prime numbers? Number 45. The diagram shows that one square has the same mass as 4 triangles. If the mass of the square is 9.2 kilograms, or 9 2/10 kilograms, what is the mass of each triangle in kilograms? Number 46. Look at this model. Which number sentence does the model represent? Number 47. Lauren picked 4 dozen flowers in a garden. Then she divided the flowers into 3 equal groups. She gave 2 groups of flowers to her mother. How many flowers did Lauren's mother receive? Number 48. A jeweler has a platinum chain and a gold chain. The platinum chain is 34 centimeters long. The gold chain is 2.45 centimeters shorter than the platinum chain. What is the length of the gold chain? Number 49. The model represents a paper cutout. When the cutout is folded along the dashed lines, it will form a rectangular prism. What will be the volume of the prism in cubic centimeters when it is folded? I know it doesn't look like a rectangular prism, but they give you 3 lengths. So think of one of them being the length, one of them being the width, and one of them being the height. What will be the volume of the prism in cubic centimeters when it is folded? Number 50. Look at the diagram. Quadrilaterals is broken into parallelogram and trapezoid. Parallelogram is broken into rectangle and rhombus, and inside both of them is a square. Trapezoid is broken into triangle. Which subset should not be on the diagram?